Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to configure the Node.js projects into Docker. Okay, so how to run the Node.js project in Docker. So I will be explain each and every things in detail. Okay, so first I'm going to go to the D drive. So I'm going to create Node project Docker. Okay, so I'm going to open the CMD to create the simple node project. Okay, so you open up the Node.js. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create the file index.js. Okay, this file what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, paste this simple code, the Node.js code. Okay, so the simple code what I'm going to do is here I'm going to this is the express which nothing but the Node.js backend, which is an Express. We have to install the Express, then only we can work as a Xserve. Okay. So after that we have a cross. Okay. So here we have a endpoint. We have to communicate the endpoint, and my endpoint, which is nothing but a this URLs. Okay. So this Express we have to call the Express. This is a port where our Express server is running. So here, after that, we have this one should be our response. Get the response. Okay. Get the request and response here. Server is running or not. We will have everything you are checking in the index.js. Okay. This is the port which will be run. Okay. The simple code, this simple Node.js project, how will be configured into the Docker. So it's very easy process. Okay. So what you're going to do is, I am going to go to this my project. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here first I'm going to go to the create the docker file. So how to create the docker file? So you have to create right click, you have to click on it the file, you have to type docker, you can use the type docker, so docker file. Automatically the symbol will be changed according to that. So after that the important thing you have to do it, this is must, you have to go to that extension, that is a must. Okay, so that's got the extension. Here you have to search Docker. Click on it. At the moment I have installed. If you are not installed, there is a button called install. You can click and install it. This is a thing. Yeah, you must do it. Okay, before you configure it, you must do these things. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to open up my Docker desktop. I already installed. If you don't know how to install Docker, in my I have attached the video description in my how to install the Docker step by step. I having a code. I having a video. You just click on the link and you will be able to watch it. Okay. So I already here the Docker desktop is open. Docker you must check out. Okay. If it right. Okay. That's the thing you have to do it. Okay. The Docker file you have created. Uh, Now the Docker file, what you are going to do it here, this is things. Okay, you no need to write. Okay, this just copy this one, you have to paste it. So what the things you must know here, node, this is the 18, the version 18. You have to convert the versions, you have to implement the versions. After the work directory app, you have to write work directory app, you have to write it like this, copy package.json. Okay, before that, what you're going to do is I'm going to open up my terminal window. I have to create all the things. So what you're going to do is you have to normally we have to install that. Okay, you have to write this one npm init y. Okay, right? Sorry, sorry. Clear up this one. I'm going to install the node project packages first. Okay, all the node packages will install it before that. Okay, so I'm going to install this one. Okay, so I having some problem with my terminal window, so that I'm going to go to my project here, open the terminal window. Here I will be able to install it. I have a simple problem. Okay, so I want to solve out my uh, VS Code editor. There is no that is not a error. It's some configuration problem issues of that VS Code. Okay. It installed successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this code as well. I'm going to express and cross. These two things I am installed. Okay, these two dependencies are very must. Okay, in order to run the Node.js project. Okay, this is the express, which is server. This is the cross. This is the endpoint we manage with the URL and all. Okay, so these two things, when you connect with the front end to back end, this cross is very important. Okay, it manages the URL endpoints. That's it is managing by the URL endpoint. Or these two things I have installed successfully. Okay, now you will be able to see there is a node modules, and you will be able to see this package.json and lock.json package.json. This all the JSON profiles are there. Now here for the Docker, what I did is copy package all.json mean this all the JSON file are copied. Okay, this all the JSON for all the dependencies are copied here. After that, npm install, run npm install. You write this npm install. Okay, you have to type npm install. Copy all the files. Expose 5000 means this is a 5000 port our app is running. If you want to change the port, you must change here as well. Both we must change it. After that, you can see node. We have to normally you have to how to run the node app node index.js. Here also the command you have to type it. Command you have to provide in the Dockerfile node index.js. This is a simple way we have to implement that. Okay, very simple. Normally we have to install them. After that, how to run the node project node index.js. This how we have run the project, right? This how we can run the project. Okay. Okay. This here the port is implemented. It is running. This is how we have run the project. Okay, I haven't saved it. That's why the port is not changed. Okay, this is how we can run the project. So I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so I'm going to save this project. Okay, so now instead of this way, we have to run this project using Docker. Okay, so Docker, we have to configure the project like Docker. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to here I have changed the port and all. Okay, so now what I have saved it and everything's completed. So now what I'm going to do is I have to do the setup on how to run the Docker file. You have to run the command docker build t myapp r. This is the command we have to copy. Okay, this command. Don't worry here. Just okay. So how to type docker build okay -t my node app on. This is simple command you have to type. Okay, the simple command you have to type to build the server. If you are okay, press enter key on your keyboard. It takes some time to configure your app. You have to wait until the all the installation part is completed. It takes some time to complete. So it's completed here. Now it's completed. That the first time if you install it, takes some time to complete. Now it's completed successfully here. Now after that, what you are going to do, if it is completed, now I'm going to go to run the another command. This is a server, so that server I'm going to the port I'm going to change. This is 500 instead of 5000. I already changed it as a 6000 port. Okay, that's the things. This is how we can run the server. Press enter key. Okay, now it's done. Server is so how to how will we check whether it's working fine or not? Very simple. We have to go to the localhost port 6000 port. Press enter key. This is might be the browser issues. How can we solve them? Simple is I'm going to go to change the port as 3000. The Docker also we can change the port as 3000. This might be the our server issues. Okay, server issues. When we get a server issues, it takes some time. Okay. Now what I'm going to save all. You must configure that to save all. Now what I'm going to say, I'm going to go to run again. I'm going to build the app again. Okay. After that, I'm going to run the command. This one, run the app. Now it's running. I'm going to go to place it here. Now it's working. Okay, it's it might be there some port issues. Okay, the browser refused the port, so you will be able to run like this. You will be short out the problem. Okay, thank you for watching.